Hey, it's me. Today I'm walking you through how I install software properly. Quick, clean, and drama-free. First, download from a trusted source. I only use the official website, or a verified app store. No random mirrors, no mystery links. If the URL feels off, I bail. Next, I check system requirements, OS version, CPU, RAM, disk space, GPU, if it's creative or gaming software. If my device barely meets the minimum, I expect slower performance, or I upgrade first. Before I run anything, I scan the installer with my antivirus. Now, install as admin. On Windows, I right-click and choose Run as administrator. On macOS, I approve with my password. This avoids permission errors and half-installed files later. I pay attention during setup. I uncheck extra toolbars. I uncheck trial add-ons. I uncheck auto-start options I don't need. I choose custom install when it's available so I can pick the location and keep things tidy. After install, I test immediately. I launch the app. I log in if needed. I do one real task, open a project, or render a sample, or import a file. If there's an update, I apply it now while everything's fresh. Then I set a restore point or snapshot. On Windows, I create a system restore point. On macOS, I confirm Time Machine is current. This is my safety net if an update breaks something later. Final touches, I pin the app to my dock or taskbar. I set default file associations. I turn on auto updates only if they're reliable. That's it. Smart, safe, and seamless. Download right. Check specs. Install as admin. Test. Lock in a restore point. Clean installs. Confident vibes. If this helped, save it for your next setup. You've got this.